If you have a trust, I want you to take a minute and look at the end. Does your trust contain a list of assets, a schedule, if you will, transferring assets into your trust? If so, you may have some false peace of mind. I'm attorney Crystal Patton of Empowered Legacy Planning, and today I'm going to share with you the problem with funding via schedule. In a lot of situations, we see trusts that utilize a schedule of assets at the end. And the schedule is intended to transfer ownership of those assets to the trust document. That type of funding does not automatically work in Arizona. That's a big misconception that people have. We recently saw a DIY trust in our office where the deceased person, the trust maker, had listed her assets on a schedule at the end of her trust. It's not to say that we won't be successful in getting a court to award those assets to the intended beneficiary, but we have to go through some extra steps, and there are no guarantees. Going to court to get an order to honor that schedule is going to be costly. It's going to be time consuming, and it is going to be emotionally stressful for the beneficiary as well. All of that can be avoided very simply by working with a seasoned estate planning attorney and ensuring that your assets are properly funded to your trust. So my estate planning tip of the day is to make sure that your trust is properly funded. Your real property needs to be transferred to your trust via deed. The cash accounts and investment accounts that you own should be retitled to your trust. Beneficiaries should be updated on your life insurance as well as your retirement accounts, and any other assets that you own should also be funded to the trust by the recommendations given to you by your estate planning attorney. If you're in Arizona and looking for an estate planning attorney to help you make sure that your wishes are going to be carried out if something happens to you, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.